I'm with the FTPD. Here's my bag.
Oh, he's going for his wand!
Hey!
Now, undo your flooding spell before I turn you into a tadpole.
But I didn't cast the flooding spell. Wait! Hey, nice fur. Excuse me, I'm...
Sorry, no dogs allowed. Can't you read?
But I'm not a dog.
Oh, yeah? Fetch.
What am I doing? No. No. At least I'm not a dog. Excuse me.
Out!
You said dogs weren't allowed. You didn't say anything about pigs.
Look, I'm very busy. Have you undone your flooding spell yet?
I've been trying to tell you I didn't do it. I'm here to find the person who can undo it. Do you know the sorcerer?
The sorcerer? Let me see. Right, somewhere. Is this him?
Check.
Yes, but he didn't turn up. Neither he nor... Where's the other one? Or she.
Wonder?
Oh, whatever. I mean, they were meant to give a seminar together. Didn't show.
Do you know what happened to the sorcerer?
No idea. I mean, we paid him, we fed him, we gave him accommodation.
Accommodation?
Yes, the sorcerer's suite at the local inn.
Great. I'll check it out. Sorcerer's luggage, unopened. Yeah. Robes, spare wands, still neatly packed. What would make him just dump his luggage and disappear? Hello? Meet me at the Eye of Newt restaurant at 8 p.m. Must have been a trap. What fiendish criminal mastermind? Wanda? They must be around here somewhere.
I remember Wanda. You do remember that time, don't you?
Of course I do.
I will never forget. Oh, dear.
Oh, Johnny, is that you?
So, after Magic University, we backpacked around the country
Oh,
together.
but I wanted to get into law enforcement.
Look, we haven't really got time for this.
And you see, I wanted a life as a master sorcerer and a big castle somewhere.
Yeah, great.
Oh,
Excuse
we
me.
haven't even seen each other since that day in this very restaurant.
Yes,
Oh.
we've had so much to talk about. More orange juice? Quiet!
Are you aware it's flooding?
Flooding? What flood?
This one.
Well, I'll be. Who is responsible for this?
Promise you won't be angry.
Pip! I knew I shouldn't have left him alone. We have to get back to the castle.
Well, the roads are out.
Oh, we can fly.
No. No. No broomsticks for me.
Oh, goodness me, not broomsticks.
No! Not that! Anything but that! Don't look down. Don't look down. Thank you.
No problem, dearie. Hurry!
Can I open my eyes now?
Yes, dearie.
No tails, no fur, no feathers. At last.
That was well done, Pip. I knew you could do it.
Thanks for everything. My hero, Master.
Well done, my apprentice. And thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
We're a good team. You sure you won't stay?
Oh, that's very sweet of you, but I can't. They'll need me at work.
Our worlds move apart again.
Oh, but not forever. Right, now, let's get back to work.
No. I'll walk. I'll hitch.
And so everyone lived happily ever after. Well, almost everyone.
Don't look down, Chris. Whatever you do, don't look down and avoid clouds. They look all soft and